Meditation is to the mind what sleep is to the body. Sleep helps the body reset. Meditation helps the mind settle. If you already meditate, this lesson may help you deepen your practice. If you do not meditate yet, I want to encourage you to start today. And here is the best part: you cannot do it wrong. Even if you think you have never meditated before, you probably have. Sitting quietly, staring into space, daydreaming, and letting your mind grow still are all close cousins of meditation. My first formal meditation practice came from The Relaxation Response by Dr. Herbert Benson. That practice presents a modern approach inspired by transcendental meditation. Do not let the word transcendental intimidate you. It simply means going beyond ordinary physical awareness, much like daydreaming, but with intention. There is no wrong place and no perfect posture. Choose what works best for you. At home, I usually meditate in one of three ways. First, I sit upright in a straight back chair with my feet flat on the floor, my back straight, and my hands resting palms down on my thighs. Second, I sit in a recliner with my legs extended and my arms and legs uncrossed. Third, I lie on my bed with my head supported by a pillow, my arms at my sides, and my legs stretched out. Meditation gets better with practice. Start with 5 minutes. A long meditation can be profound, but a short meditation is still effective. You do not run a marathon on the first day. You start with a few steps. And if your meditation never becomes a marathon, that is okay too. This is about quality, not quantity. Let's make this practical. Set a timer for 5 minutes. The timer matters because part of your mind may keep asking, "Am I done yet?" The timer frees you from that distraction. Now sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes if that feels right. Then let the mind become quiet. Do not force it. Do not fight with it. If a thought comes in, simply notice it and say to yourself, "Meditating," then return to stillness. That is the whole practice. When the timer goes off, you are done. Easy peasy. Start small, begin with 5 minutes, and build naturally.